Windows developers, your CI builds are failing because files won't delete, not due to bugs, but because Windows locks files longer than you expect. This two-line fix guarantees clean cleanup, even with delayed handle release. Imports the temporary directory class from the tempfile module, enabling creation of a secure temporary directory that will be automatically cleaned up after use. Imports the path class from pathlib, providing an object-oriented interface for file system paths that supports cross-platform operations and intuitive manipulation. Instantiates a temporary directory context manager, which creates a new temporary directory on disk and yields its absolute path as the variable tempdir. This directory exists only within the context block. Constructs a new path object representing a file named test.txt inside the temporary directory by joining the tempdir string path with the file name using the division operator, which pathlib interprets as path concatenation. Writes the string hello to the file referenced by path p using the write_text method, which opens the file in text mode, writes the content, and closes it automatically. Prints a message to standard output confirming the full path of the created file by interpolating p, which resolves to the absolute path of test.txt in the current temporary directory. After exiting the with block, checks whether the original temporary directory path no longer exists by constructing a path from tempdir and testing its existence, negating the result to produce a true if deletion succeeded. This combo leverages Python's context manager cleanup and cross-platform safe deletion. No more handle-locked files. Subscribe for daily coding videos.